My name's Joe Patella, and I'm the president of the Gerome Manufacturing Company.
And I'm Derek Patella, and I'm the assistant plant manager at Gerome.
The company was founded in 1957 in Mr. Jerome's basement in the town of Hopwood, Pennsylvania. Since then, it's grown several different locations over the past several years. It'll be 5 years since we moved here at the end of March. We've grown to around 80 employees, one shift still, but we have over 150 customers, active customers, and products all over the world.
Well, there's really no difference nowadays between the outlook for men and women. You know, in the past, the assumption was always that you had to be a big burly man to work in manufacturing, but with all the innovations in equipment and forklifts and cranes and things like that, that's not the case anymore. So it's just a matter of getting more women to want manufacturing jobs.
My name's Alexis Smith, and I'm a welder for Gerome Manufacturing. I've wanted to be a welder for a really long time since I was in high school. Votech came up and started talking to us about, possibly, learning a trade. And whenever they were talking about welding, for some reason, it just kind of clicked with me. And later on, I didn't do it, and I regretted not doing it in high school, but it came up again, and I seized the opportunity and took it. Less drama. You get it here and there, but it's way different than working at like a hair salon or something. There's a lot of gossip. Around here, it's just, people are around here trying to get the job done. And, guys are awfully nicer to women.
I think manufacturing is cool because there's many different jobs in manufacturing, and you can do whatever you want, whether you're working in the office or working in the field.
We think manufacturing is cool.